Assalamualaikum everyone, this is me, Nahil Aiwali. I am 16-year-old living in Faisalabad, Pakistan, also student at Rehan School Online Academy, also second batch foundation level in evening shift and also a member of interview team department. Today was a very amazing TEDx talk. The speaker name was Nabil Kadir and his topic is what's make an idea. The speaker of this TEDx talk is Nabil Kadir, a well-known entrepreneur, TV host, and youth mentor from Pakistan. He became a famous for his show Idea Koronka, where he helped many young people turn their dreams into reality. Nabil is not just a businessman, but also a teacher who built confidence and motivation in youth. His talk title, What's Make an Idea, focuses on how powerful ideas is formed. He explained four key stages: awareness, equalizing, discovery, and identity. He says when we understand and apply these stages in life, we grow, and so does our country. Uh, Nabil, start by talking about awareness. He says every big ideas begin with a question. Awareness means understanding your thoughts, emotions, and dreams. Many people believe that others say and start thinking they are not good enough. But Nabil says, when you know yourself, you can do anything. You can do anything. Awareness is the first step toward building your idea. When you know your strength and weaknesses, uh, you can make better decisions and chase your dreams with clarity. The second point is equalizing, believing that you are equal to everyone else. Many young people think they are less because they come from small towns or don't have enough resources. But Nabil explains that success does not depend on where are you from, where are from, and but on how you think. If we see ourselves as equal to others, our ideas become stronger. Everyone has a special talent, and once we accept that, we start finding new paths and achievement. The third stage is discovery, and Nabil says that each person has hidden talent inside. They just need to find it. To discover it, you must look within and understand your interest, passion, and question. It takes time, but it's the most important journey. Once we find our inner strength, we can do things we never imagined. Discovery gives us direction, purpose. We need to explore our talent, skill, and uniqueness to do something only we can do. The fourth and most important part is identity. The bill says every successful person has their own identity. They don't copy others. They believe in themselves and show the world who they are. When you know your real identity, your life gains true meaning. You don't have to hide or change yourself. Your uniqueness is your power. Celebrated. That's your real identity. uh, Nabil gives a strong example of the number zero. A zero alone has no value. A zero alone has always no value. But when placed next to a number, its value increase a lot. In the same way, if we are alone and don't know our identity, we might feel useless. But when we connect with a goal, a vision, or a team, our value grows. We must find that number in life, whether it's a goal, talent, or a community. This shows that we become powerful when we are in the right place. The biggest message of this talk is everyone has a great idea inside them. If we truly understand ourselves, we can change our lives and become a light for others too. Don't doubt yourself, no matter where you are from and who you are. When you know yourself, believe you are equal to others, and find your talents and build your identity. The world will take you seriously. These ideas are not just for becoming an entrepreneur, they are for becoming a better human. Nabil message is simple: don't think you are less, rise again and create your create your own identity. The main lesson from this talk is that success does not come from outside; it comes from within. We must work on ourselves, understand who we are, and bring out the power inside us. A strong idea is not just a random thought; it's the result of a full process: awareness, equalizing, discovery, identity. When we work on these four things, our life becomes clearer. We gain confidence and we can achieve big goals. Every young person should watch this video. It's not just a talk, it's a life changing message. I found this talk very inspiring. I learned that if I listen to my inner voice and believe in myself, anything is possible. Nabil Kadir words uh, is very Nabil Kadir TEDx talk is very inspiring and heart touching. Now I have decided to look within myself and discover my true identity. So everyone, this is my English TEDx review. I hope you like this. So until the next TEDx review on the amazing next topic, Allah Hafiz everyone.